Hello, this is Ron here again from Ron's RC and Drone channel. Today I'm going to talk about a test I did the other day where I put the GoPro Hero 7 on the 3DR Solo. So stay tuned. Okay, how I did this was the Solo comes with a GoPro mount on the bottom. The GoPro mount is meant for a Hero 4, silver, black, or a Hero 3 Plus. So the 7 is essentially too big to fit in there because the 7 is much bigger because it's waterproof. So all I did is remove the 4 case and then put the 7 right in the standard GoPro mount that's already on here, and it lifted it with no issues at all. And anybody that doesn't have the Hero 7, or maybe any of the Heroes do this, but when you put it on upside down, it automatically flips the video up and down. You don't have to go into settings and turn it upside down. So that's pretty cool that when it's upside down, it knows it's upside down and reverses the video for you. So that's a cool feature. So I did it on, I'll check the settings and put them in the show notes, but I think I did it on a 4K 30, but I'm not actually sure now what settings I have it on. Half the time I don't even know what settings I have the thing on. It records great in all the settings, but I think I did it in 4K 30. But I will put that in the show notes, down in the show notes, what exactly was the settings. So as you know, this is a standard GoPro mount. This is the gimbal. I don't have the gimbal for this. So, you would think, oh, it's going to get some shaky video. But the Hero 7 has that hyper something, I think they call it, a hyper smooth stabilization is the thing, where it has, people guess, 7, 8, 9 axis of stabilization electronically. So we're going to see how it did, and roll the video right now.